got too much oil on its feathers.
Oh no, it's eating it again. Is that a real bird?
Yes, it's a real bird.
Oh my God. Orca's eating the bird. Are you kidding me? Is that bird gonna be eaten? Oh my God. Did it get eaten? Oh no, oh no, oh no way. Are you kidding me? There goes the bird again.
It's playing with it.
Is it playing with it or is it eating it?
Playing with it.
Really? Seriously?
You can climb up here. You can see it.
Oh my
It's the bird against
goodness.
the orca.
Wow. The bird against the orca. And who's winning?
Don't climb the rock.
OMG.
What?
That
It's
is,
playing with it.
yeah, that is so awesome. Wow. Look at that.
Do you see the bird? It's still alive. And the orca's playing and tossing it around.
Wow. Look at
Look, look.
that. Oh, oh my gosh.
And look, he's upside down.
Oh.
His legs are upside down. Look at him, really? Oh my gosh. Perfect music.
Wow.
Perfect music, right?
Oh my goodness. This is like, I don't know, are we talking about Jaws?
Okay, what happened with the bird? It's still there.
I think it'd be playing.